Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to make your Shopify store's header stand out? In this video, we will guide you throughout how to edit the header in Shopify in 2024, letting you customize your logo, navigation, and more. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to go ahead and open Shopify and log into your accounts. This will take you directly to your store that you have already within this platform. Now, second thing is you have to go to online store and from there choose a template that you want to work on. So here there is plenty of template. There is I think around 13 templates. Do not mind this number. This is for premium templates. There are 13 templates that are free that you could use and have all what you want with it. Now, how can we customize our template? Well, as we mentioned, here there's this article that talks about editing and what's out the header and footer and how can we edit it. Well, it is made by Jim Pages. Well, basically, it is more simple than what you look in here. It's simpler and way more better than what it looks here. So what you need to do to actually edit your Shopify store header, click on customize right through here. So now I'm going to show you the easiest way to edit a header. There is other ways that might be convenient for you guys depending on which way you really would like to go for, because there is two main methods. There is the method that I'm going to show you right now, and the second method is the hard way, which is by using code. Of course, the hard way for me could be an easier way and method for you, so it varies from a person to another in experience that they have with coding, etc. I'm going to talk about the coding process later on in the video, but for now let's talk about this one. So how can we edit the header? First of all, we need to go ahead and select it. To select the header itself, as you can see, I'm clicking, but it's not really selecting. So how can you do that? Simply just turn on this inspector, and after that you'll be able to actually have this cursor and basically edit the header. Now on the header itself, you will have a couple of things of settings that you can adjust. First of all, you have desktop logo position. So here you will have the logo and you can literally just change it whenever you want it to be. You can make it in the middle center, top left, middle left, and basically in the top left and the middle center. So all of these are basically positions that you can put your logo in. To edit your logo, you have to click right here into the theme settings, and this will open another tab which we will be taken to the theme settings where you can add your logo. Let's add a random logo real quick. Upload image. I'm gonna add, for example, let's go to logos, and I'm going to choose, for example, Bart. So Bart AI Gemini. So I'm going to simply add it to be as my logo for the moment. Click on done, and as you will be able to notice, it has been changed to Bart. You can make it as big as possible and as small as possible. So it really varies a lot depending on your style of creativity. So here I'm going to click on save to just simply keep the logo saved, and I'm going to go back here to the section. So here we have the header as I mentioned. So this is the header. Other than the logo, we have here the desktop menu type. There is three type of menus. There is the drop down, the mega menu, and there is also the drawer. So as you can see, the drawer is this one where you click here and menu will open. There is the mega menu, as you can see, the normal one. The menu type is automatically optimized for mobile, and there is the drop down. So these are the main menus that there is. Also, there is a sticky header. The sticky header is basically the header that will not follow you during the page. As I'm going down, it will not follow me. It is following me here. I think I'll scroll up. None. Okay. Yeah, now it's not following me. So sticky is basically, yeah, sticky is basically when you are scrolling up, you will find the menu. Yeah. We can keep it as always when you're scrolling up and down. Yeah, this is pretty cool option that we can add. So there is, for example, no need for the customer or the visitor to go all the way up to the top of the site to get to the menu. They can literally just have the main menu following them. So you can have like a separator line. Let me just remove this. As you can see, this is with separator line. Let's add a small shadow in here. as you can see. If I removed it, as you can see, it's kind of like the menu is merging with the site, which we do not want it to happen. So add kind of like this shadow line to help us separate between the menu and the page. Here we have the color scheme. Now the color scheme really varies a lot, so here we changed it to that. The thing is about this type of page builders, which I don't really like, is the fact that there is not something like background color and text color to simplify the process. No, there is a color scheme that basically will have to go to theme settings, and from theme settings you have to choose a color scheme. And yeah, I get it. It is like a faster way. You simply have to go right here once, create a lot of color schemes that you will be using during your site, and simply just choose the scheme which will be applied automatically. But sometimes you don't really want to do this. You simply want it to be the simple way. Choose background, choose text, and make it as simple as possible. So unfortunately, this is all we have to work with. So in case you would like to change the colors here, you have to go to add a new scheme, which will give you all of these options. You can edit the background gradient, the text, solid button background, solid button label, outline button, and shadows. You can edit every single colors mentioned in this picture or this area, so it's up to you. Use the color gradients, use the color that fits your template, your logo, and your brand, so you can have the most out of it. Let me just close this real quick. There we go. Click back here, and here we are. Now for the country, enable country region sector. This will allow you to add country, etc. Here we have other options like padding, bottom margins. You can make it larger. Let me just remove it. Here top padding, let me just make it smaller. And here for the bottom padding, something like that. This is a good menu. You can add a little bit of padding below. Yeah, something like that could be good. Here for the theme settings, we could add like kind of like enable social media in case you had it enabled. Well, this is something that will be useful for you to add social media icons right here within the header. And here you can add custom CSS code in case you were familiar with coding. Now this is for this section. Now what about coding? What about if you wanted to code the whole page and edit it with code? Then you have to go right here, go to these 3 points, click on edit code, and from this area you have to go all the way down to sections and go to the header and edit it. So this is the only way that you can edit your theme header with coding. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If there is any more questions or problem, make sure to mention them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.